We can provide all the resource that people need. We recently signed up a client, you name it, it's here. We are an accounting firm, but as an accounting firm, we've learnt a lot over the years, and now we can help other accountancy firms with all their resourcing needs. Whether they're in the UK, the US, or Canada, we can provide offshore talent to help them grow their firms. So if a firm or an accounting firm in the UK is needing an accountant, a bookkeeper, a year-end accountant, or a tax person, whatever it may be, we can find that team member for them. Based out in India, and as an example, we recently signed up a client who just needed that. They needed that first person. They got that first person on board who was a team leader, joined our team. That team leader was really helpful, really good. Now they've added a bookkeeper. Then they've added a year-end accountant. And just recently, they signed up a tax person. So we can provide all the resource that people need. And there's a wealth of talent here sitting in India. Some of them ACCA qualified, some of them CPA qualified. You name it, it's here. Okay, so get in touch if you need some help on that. So quality and consistency is the key thing in an offshoring business. Now, one of the reasons we left some of these other companies that we used is because their prices were going up and quality was going down. So to me, quality is paramount. Now, but by owning and running my own accounting firm in the UK, I know I have high expectations, very high expectations. So it's so important that we maintain that, not just for ourselves, but for other accounting firms that we help. So how do we ensure that? Training, and training, okay? So we focus on technical, we focus on communication, we focus on culture, we focus on all of these so much that they make sure that the team members in India are then full of confidence, okay? So then to be able to carry out their job, talk to clients, and really deliver a top-notch service. Great question you've asked there. What makes Samera different to other firms out there in the marketplace? At Samera, as I said previously, our team are important. Our clients are extremely important to us as well. But what we've learned over the last 20 years is that if we focus on our team, they will deliver the best job on our clients. All too often I see professional services firms focus on the clients and neglect the team. So in my view, and I have plenty of grey hair to experience and to talk about for this from, I focus on my team because if they're happy, they'll do a very brilliant job for our clients. So as an example, recently we took on a client, quite a big client, for all their back office needs they needed. Now they were in a difficult situation, they were struggling, their finances, organizations were a mess. So we had a ready, available team sitting in India, all trained, ready to go, to hit the road running. We know other firms turned them away because they didn't have the right people. They didn't have the people that were trained, but we had the team in-house ready to hit the road running. And what's that done? Well, the client's back office has improved significantly. Things are getting in place, things are having order to them. Our team are busy, okay, and doing a great job. And obviously it's great for the company. It's bringing in income for us as well. So it's so important to have the right people in the right place to deliver the right job. In terms of technology, we use the latest technology that's out there for all accounting, whether it's Xero, Dext, QuickBooks Online, you name it, we use it. But technology is changing week by week, month by month, so it's important for our team to be on top of it and be learning the latest stuff. Now, we're in a world of AI, okay? And AI is upon us and it's not going away. But as I've always said, and as I always believe, AI will take away a lot of the jobs of an accountant. There's no doubt about it. However, accountants are going to be in need even more, because can we really trust what AI is going to be delivering to us? If we understand AI, we manage it and control it, AI can be our help. They can make things faster, make things better, but we'll always need accountants to actually oversee it, to check it. And as we see in India, there are plenty well-trained accountants, and we're training even more who can actually help in this period of AI. The accountancy sector across the globe is changing at a rapid pace. We have AI, we have cloud accounting evolving all the time, we have resourcing issues. Everything is changing. So in order to stay on top of what's going on, you would think, how do we do it? Well, we are an accounting firm at heart. We live eat and breathe accounting ourselves. Since we understand the issues our clients face, because we are one of them, okay, we can really help our clients and understand their problems, because we stand in their shoes just like them, but we have a solution. And much of that solution is by finding the right people, and the right people in our team that we can support them with from our Indian setup here in India.